Dear Nanthakumar, let me introduce myself. I'm Victoria Sereda, Reklamny Textile Sewing Factory. I'd like to give my feedback of our training. Actually, it exceeded all our expectations. Currently, we're on the stage of enhancing of production efficiency. This is the key issue for us for today. The training program appeared to coincide with our urgent needs. Thus, we will definitely apply all those things we have learned. We have tried it out and calculated. Further on, we're ready to present our results. Their perspectives are further work in this direction, namely production development as well as enhancing production efficiency. We would definitely like to meet you in person and ready for cooperation offline, not only via internet. Thank you so much. It was really fruitful. Looking forward to seeing you.